Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove multiple blank rows in Excel using formula. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many blank rows. Now we want to remove the multiple blank rows at once. At first, select your sheet, click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and go to the special menu. Now I am check mark on the blanks drop down option and click OK. We can see here automatically delete the all blanks row. Click right button and click delete option. Now I am check mark the entire row. Click OK. We can see we remove multiple blank rows in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.